In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. After that, create your event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now adjust it however you wish to. At the top, you can add a title. Select one of those icons by tapping on the smiley face and choosing the best one for your event. And also change its color. If your event takes more than 2 dates or 1 day, you can click on this date over here and set up the ending one. If you wish to, you can also click. You can also pick starting hour and ending one. In order to disable this feature completely, tap on this gray sweater next to all day. Then click on location section. You can type in an address right away or select map next to location. Now click on settings. You need to enable your location by clicking on this gray sweater. Then tap on the back button. After that, select map again. Choose while using the app or only this time. Click on allow and type in an address. If you can't see any results, you need to choose change search area and type in your address again. Then tap on the correct one and save your changes by choosing them at the bottom right corner. Now click on this calendar icon. Select your email address or one of those sections. I will go with Samsung Calendar. Then set up alerts by choosing this bell icon and picking the best option for you. When you're ready, click on the back button. Now you can select Don't Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, tap on Don't Repeat option at the top. Lastly, take some notes and save your event by choosing Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on it over here, and select Edit option at the bottom next to Copy. Now make your changes. You can discard them by choosing Cancel or save them by tapping on Save. In order to get rid of your event though, click on it again. But this time tap on this bin icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!